Welcome back to A Beekeeper's Diary. Here in sunny Hertfordshire. Looking about me as I speak, I can see a red kite drifting across the fields, swallows skimming low across the field as it looks like it might. The pressure is changing, pushing the insects down, and then the swallows follow them down to feed. Gives us a good indication by looking at nature what the weather's going to do. You can hear one passing me by there. Lovely sound. Skylarks are singing above me from the meadow. Blackbirds singing. Crows. What a wonderful sound. And the M25. So I'm back from my weekly visit and all is looking excellent. The queen has now laid across the whole of the brood box, and I've got brood in all stages, eggs, larvae of all sizes, cap brood and emerging brood. So I think this hive is going to grow considerably over the next 24 days in total. Some brood drone in there as well, not too much to cause a mess, but that's good to see. They've not actually increased their stores that much this week, even though there's plenty of blackberry out that I can see. I think they've been consuming what they've collected, so pretty much the stores level in the brood has stayed pretty constant. And the super that I put above it, the box that we don't let the queen lay in, so they can only put nectar in it, still very light. So they don't need feeding, they've got enough for the week, but we haven't started collecting any honey yet. Also, while I'm sitting here, I've just seen a marbled white butterfly flutter past me, which is lovely to see. They weren't out last week, so they've emerged, and I've seen a skipper butterfly as well. So in the last 7 days, the butterflies have started emerging mid-June, I would say. So yeah. Oof, swallowed nearly took my head off then. Fantastic. So yeah, we're in a good place. They've got space, they've got food, brood in all stages. Oh, I'm being examined by a bee. Let's put my hood up. Sounds a bit grumpy. Panic over. Don't want to be stung in the face, no one needs that. Yeah, the bees fairly well behaved. Sometimes they can get a bit tetchy when the weather's changing. They're a little bit reactive to my hands. I just move slowly and calmly, try not to squash any bees. So I've had no stings this year so far, all good. As I've only got this hive, I've got the luxury of being able to move like a sloth and creep across the hive, rather than some people with more. We'll have to get through them a bit quicker, but I can take my time, enjoy myself. Have a good look at them, get my magnifying glass out and check for eggs, because my eyes aren't good enough to see now. So I've got one of those magnifying glasses with a light on it, so I can have a good look in the cell and try and see that little speck at the bottom. Check the queen's there, which I did see. I also saw her pottering about as well, which I didn't need to see, but it's, you know, it's good to know she's there and I haven't accidentally squashed that. So yeah, all good. Hope to report back next week, maybe with some nectar being collected. Let's hope so. Thanks to all the new people that have joined us in the last week. Much appreciated. Hope you're enjoying my little couple of minute check-ins from the hive. It doesn't take too much time out of your day to listen to, and people all around the world are tuning in, so that's much appreciated. Thank you, and hello to you. Right, I'll stop waffling on and I'll catch you next week.